Hello students and welcome to Prof Time channel. Myself Dr. Kajal Rai. Now we will get into the next session of mysql. Here we can see some more commands. Suppose we want to work on a table named student. But currently there is no table in this database, so I am just creating a simple table without any primary key and all, just the roll number, just with two fields, which is of integer types, and second is name, which is of varchar type, right? Just creating a simple table. And now if we want to see the structure of this table, we can use the describe command, and here you can see there are only two fields, right? Now if we want to add one more field in the already made table, now how can we do that? Then there is a command called alter table command. We can add any column to this student table. Suppose we want to add city, right? We want to write add clause, then space, then the field name which you want to add, and the data type of that field and the size. In this way we can add any column to our existing table, right? We have to just use add clause and the field name, its data type and size. Now it is already added. Now if you want to see, you can use the describe command to see now that this city column has already been added. So it is very simple. You can always add one extra column where you want to add that. Now if we want to change the data type of existing column or the size of the existing column, then also this alter table command is very useful for that. We can use alter table command and change the data type for that. Then we have to use the modify clause. Before we had used the add clause, now we want to modify the data type or change the data type, so we use the modify command. Here you want to give the name of the column which you want to change, then suppose we want to change from varchar to char, right? And the size we want to from 10 to 20, then we can use it like this and we can change it. Now we can see that it has been changed from varchar to char. So this is the thing we can do with alter table command. One more thing we can do, suppose we want to add a primary key. We want to make roll number as the primary key, and at the time of creation of the table we forgot to do that. So we can also add that constraint to our existing table with the alter table command. We can use add clause because we are adding the primary key. So we have to give this primary key option and then the name of the field which you want to make as the primary key. Here we want to make roll number as the primary key, so I had given in the bracket the roll number. In this way it is made as the primary key. Here you can see it is PRI, it is written in the key column, before it was not there. So this is the simple things you can do with that. Now suppose